In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a braid. So a lot of times I get asked how to draw a braid, specifically for drawing Elsa from Frozen. So for her hair is very, very thick. So I'm going to show you first how to draw like a basic braid, and then I'll show you a little bit more specifically how to draw Elsa's. So for a basic braid, the way you want to think about it is drawing a line on the left and then a line on the right. So you're going to draw a curved line on the left, then start at the same point on the right, but come past that line that you just drew. And go to the left side and draw a letter C, coming past the line you just drew. Imagine that you're continuing this line right here, and then wrap it down a little bit farther than the line you just drew. So go back to this one, pretend like you're continuing it, and draw a letter C past the line you just drew. Go back to this line, continue it, and back. Now, once you've gone as far as you want to go, instead of stopping, you're going to just wrap it back up. And then for the end, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but I like to just draw a curved line, and then I want it to be pointed right here. So I'm going to do a little point, and then curve it back up. And then you don't really need to draw the rubber band or whatever would be here, because probably be covered up by the hair. But if you want to, you could draw a little rubber band, or you could draw a ribbon, whatever you so desire to be right there. Another way to end the braid, so let's say I just draw my simple lines like this. I could draw just two lines out and then a straight line. Now, if you're drawing like Elsa specifically, let me see if I can pull up a picture that I drew of her recently. So let's see, right here. Okay, so I have this one of her. Now, notice her braid. The only real difference is that hers is super, super thick up on the top and then gets a little bit thinner. It's also kind of, it's almost like you make your braid and then you pull the hair out, so it's a little bit wider. So when drawing her braid, I would just suggest keeping the top part like very big and then let it get smaller and smaller and smaller as you get to the end. And then the bottom part is kind of like the first way that I showed you how to draw a braid, where it kind of comes to a point. And that's it. So that's how you would draw Elsa's braid. So if you like this video and you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel.